it's a competitive environment we're in potatoes, and you have to cut costs and increase efficiency wherever you can. We were digging 12 rows and we were using 8 sets of diggers, and our target was to dig 400 to 450 acres a day with those 8 systems. And when we switched to this system with 2 6-row windrowers and 1 4-row harvester and the increased speed and capacity, we just cut our diggers in half. So we went to half as many tractors. The truck drivers have a habit of getting lost sometimes, and with 8 different harvesters in the field, there were more opportunities to get lost. Now they're more focused, knowing the design of the machine is a little higher capacity and a little higher speed. I was concerned that we might pick up some bruise when we did that. It helped our bruise. We've significantly reduced our bruise because the machines stay fuller, less drops with only half as many machines, so that naturally helps. But probably the thing that surprised me the most was we were able to cut about a half a dozen trucks out of our system by not having so many locations where a harvester needed a truck. The trucks became more efficient, so I was able to cut 5 or 6 trucks and drivers out, and those that are driving know to be in the right place at the right